Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Netflix HD not working. So here are a couple of steps you can try to fix the Netflix HD streaming. Firstly, you need to verify that you are on the standard 1080p or premium 4K plan. If you are not, then of course you're not going to be having the HD feature. The other thing you want to simply go ahead and do is check your internet connection. High definition requires at least 5 MBs and Ultra HD 4K requires 15 to 25 MB. In order to go ahead and quickly reset your internet connection, all you need to do is open your settings first, scroll down to General, and then scroll all the way down to Transfer or Reset iPhone and click on Reset and click on Reset Network Settings. This should go ahead and fix your problem. If it still doesn't, then try to restart your phone, and that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.